How exactly the manufacturing of mesh panels fencing takes place? Initially, the production starts with wire preparation for fence panels. As a rule, the galvanized wire with a diameter of 4 to 6 millimeters used to increase the lifetime of fences. At the first stage, you have to straighten and cut in a size wire rods before the actual production of fence panels. Straightening and cutting machine eliminates any curves and makes the rods straight as well. Once the required number of rods are prepared, you can move on to production of welded panels. To do this, the operator specifies the desired mesh panel size. Loading of the longitudinal rods is made using a special feed module. It performs the alignment function as well as enabling to insert the wire rods for the next mesh panel. Therefore, the machine's productivity increases significantly. Transverse rods feeding is automatic from the main bunker that has been preloaded in advance. Primary and intermediate accumulating mechanisms provide smooth moving of the rods and prevent downtime. The moving of rods from one to another is made with a magnetic wheel. When the transverse rod is fed into welding zone, the multi-spot resistance welding is performed. The welding occurs during the high current flow between the rods and point contact. Actual welding time is minimal, about 100 milliseconds. Pneumatic cylinders bring pressure to the rods with 6 atmospheres. When the welding of the transverse rod is completed, then the pulling mechanism moves the mesh panel to the required distance. High dynamics and precision are provided by a powerful servo. In order to reinforce the panel, it is necessary to make additional strengthening rib, so-called corrugation elements. Hydraulic shaper creates V-shape ribs on the fence panel. The strengthening ribs creation is finished. Then the panels are covered with powder-coated paint and transported to polymerization chamber. Powder-coated paint is applied by electrostatic spraying. This method is efficient because the paint is applied evenly in a thin layer with a good coverage rate. As soon as the fence panel is completely coated with powder paint, it is forwarded to the curing oven. The process takes 15 to 20 minutes at a temperature about 200 degrees. After that, you can pack fence panels and send them to the object. One small plant can manufacture about 350 sections of fence in a work shift.